See, they want to be left alone. They wanted to eat. It's beautiful here. Hold on, this way, guys. You're gonna, it's cold. Go on, go with your sister. Go. Probably gonna be cold. It's probably gonna be cold. If you don't want to, you can check out the rest. It's gonna be chilly. Keaton's gonna go up. Whoa. Can you get it into the big head? Let's see. Hey, Keaton, look. Hi. Wow. This is so crazy. Zoe! I hear them. Yes. I think this one, babe. Here. I don't think it's a hammer. There's one on the other side too. You need help, bud? Zoe, you want to help him? Yeah, he said be careful. Be careful of the water, he said, Zoe. Good job. Whoa! Are you gonna do it, Zoe? That is neat. Can I try?
Go backwards.
gotta see how they have like a handkerchief. We gotta find one. Then they fall. That's cool. We'll try to find one when they're done, okay? There's a bunch of them. That is awesome. Yeah, you can go do that. No, wait. Okay, put it in and close it. You need help? Let him do it, Zoe. Let Keaton do it. Okay, Zoe, do it. Okay, Zoe, do it. There you go. Now look up. Look up. Here. He's gonna come. Keaton, over there. Woo! There it goes. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh yeah, they have plenty. Thank you so much. They're good. He's very sweet. Wow. You want to look over? Look over. Whoa, it's not doing anything. What are you doing? Are you blowing sand? Oh my goodness. That is something. Whoa. Hey, do this one, Keaton. Keaton, do it on the short one. There you go. Can you reach this one? Yeah. Here you go. Go get it. Keaton, put it on the air. There you go. Go get the other one. There's the train that Zoe is an engineer for right now. Are you trying to catch it? It's on the walls and everything, isn't it? Oh. It's hard to get them. Where's the lights? Where'd the lights go? Where'd the lights go? Oh, there it is. There's one. There they go. You might see some butterflies. Yeah, look at that pretty one.
Butterfly, come on.
What? You want me to come? Okay. We're going on a trip. All right, I'm not gonna sing. We are on a nature trail. Kids are feeling very adventurous today.
Come on.
This
Mommy, come
this
on,
is off the path. They're feeling very adventurous.
Come on.
I have to duck.
Come on, Mommy.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh God. Okay. You said it's spooky? Oh my goodness. Here, let's go back this way. There's too much stuff.